Alright, so it's been a while, so I thought I would give you guys a quick tour of the property now that it's spring and some of the things we've got out here growing. So let's go take a look. So the little beds here on the corner of the deck, all of the lemon balm has come back, and so is the bee balm. So the bee balm should be flowering this season, which will be nice. I love those blooms. This bed's taken off. It's mostly mint over there. There's some lemon balm. I'm sorry. There's some bee balm. There's some lemon balm. There's some comfrey. Got some strawberries over in these hay bales, although I don't know that they like it. I finally got my little orange sugar sun tomatoes to sprout. Germination rate was very low. I saved seeds last year, so hopefully I can trellis these. I may do it today. Well, sadly we've lost a duck lately, and we lost 3 chickens too, and I'm pretty sure it was a fox. So we've been trying to keep these sequestered in this area, and they don't like it. We've got a couple of new little chickens over here. It's going to be quite a while before they lay. Well, I bet we've pulled half a dozen black snakes out of the coop here lately. So we've tried to seal that up with there's bird netting right there, which they get hung up in that. But since we put that there, we only had to get rid of one. There's one still on the nest, so may not get any eggs. Right. Yeah, here we go. Oh, only one. So the greenhouse is doing well. Mainly we've got cucumbers in here right now, so those have little cucumbers already, and I've got some broccoli over here. I'm trying to keep the cabbage moths off of the stuff in here. That's the reason. There's some cucumbers on here somewhere. Right down at the bottom. Over here to the main crop. Right there on that trellis, we've got some scarlet runner beans that are starting to bloom. So those just now beginning to bloom, and that's doing pretty good. We've got this big volunteer sunflower from somewhere. The potatoes are, I'm not sure about these potatoes. Planted some corn here just to see if it was going to grow out here. So far it's doing okay. Got a lot of zucchini over here, and there's a bloom. That's just today. So that's going to be the first one. Hopefully. These are cardoons. Down here we had some radishes. Still have some radishes, and we've been harvesting these already. This is called a Malaga radish. And so far I like these pretty good. They grow here really well. The big black walnut tree finally has leaves now. So glad to see that. It was the last thing to was the last tree to put on any leaves. 4 nukes now, and these are all splits from the 2 bigger hives. This is the one that we overwintered. Those bees are mean. But this is it for the bees. If we get any more swarms, I'm not going to try to catch them. I'm maxed out on the bees. I'm maxed out, period. Between the hogs, the bees, the garden, the dogs, everything else. I've just been incredibly busy. Finally got some stuff coming up here in this raised bed. It's not much to look at though. It's some onions. The tomatoes are growing pretty good now. I've got to tie these up. We had a bad storm yesterday and it blew everything down. That's got some tomatoes on it. So, won't be very long. These Jerusalem artichokes have gone ballistic. And this one Asian pear has some fruit on it. Maybe we'll get to have some fruit this year. None of the peach trees had any fruit. They late frost. Plus they're too small really anyway. Okay, let's check out the hogs. There's Elsie. She's hungry as always. Where are your little pigs? Here they come. Here they come. They are getting large. So she had 9 piglets about 20 days ago. Or 9 piglets, 7 male, 2 female. 2 of them were runts. And as always, thanks a lot for watching. Vámonos a Celeste.